Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm taking a few different colors from Nail Addict and I put it actually on my table here, and I'm taking another brush because I'm going to be blending some of these colors together because I was in an earthy kind of mood, and when I got these in, it was literally perfect. So I am taking a couple different colors, and again, you'll see them, and I'll have them down below with any discount codes that I have, which I do have for a couple products in this video. So what I'm doing is I'm taking a very, very light amount because I'm kind of going for a toned down look. And so anytime I feel like I have too much on, I will actually wipe it off on my table because I have a glass tile. So you'll see probably some marks on my table, and that's kind of me just wiping off my brush and getting another color. I'm not fully, cleaning my brush each time because ain't nobody got time for that. So as you can see, you're just kind of pasting it on. We're not copying, pasting. We're painting it on. And the really great thing about this is you can't really mess it up because it's so free-formed and relaxed. You literally cannot mess this up. So I go ahead and I've cured that middle finger, and then I'm working on the next finger, and then I will cure. So I flash cure these, and then once I have those all done, I will fully cure, and then I will come in with a second coat. So you can see I'm taking the pink here, or I guess now I'm going in for a second coat on the middle finger, with that tan, the lighter tan, and then I come in with that brown. But the great thing about this is that second coat, it really comes to life, in my opinion, because it really brightens it up, but doesn't overly do it. So, I kind of wipe parts of it off and mix it up. You'll see I just kind of play with it until I kind of get the look I'm looking for.
Watching the ocean with you, baby, up with a slow motion crew, and we up in our clouds when people change, but not us, and we just chillin'.
So I wasn't sure what I wanted to do on the pointer, so I added a couple different colors. You can see I'm coming in with this kind of green, muddy tone. Muddy, I know that has like a negative but it's not negative. So it's just green, olivey green, maybe that's a better word for it. And then I come in with some brown, and I think I also grabbed some pink, and none of this is cured. So I'm mixing, pulling, pushing, kind of just getting that, again, free form look. And then I will go ahead and flash cure that.
Kicking it, kissed by the sun, could be soaked to the skin in the mall soon. I know she got the good vibes when seasons change, but we're the same. Even if I lost all my money, the zero runs deep, honey, and I don't need to speak a single word, cause you got me holding.
Coming in with the pinky, I'm adding that pink, and I think I also add that green. Let's see. Yes, I add the green. And I think this is actually a very loose ombre. And you can see how I just like wipe off my brush there. I literally just like wipe and then I'm on. So I'll do 2 coats of that one as well. I'm going to be taking this gray, and then just any kind of brush that you can do little dots for. I mean, you can manually do these dots. Ain't nobody got time for that for me personally. So I'm taking a fan brush. Make sure you don't cure this because you don't want to ruin your brush. So I wanted to add these kind of gray dots, kind of give it a stone look. Again, doing that natural feel for these. So I'm going to actually do this on all of the nails. So that is fully cured. I am just taking a little bit, a very little bit, because I just wanted a little bit of glimmer to it. Nothing crazy, because again, keeping it neutral, but it's me. I have to have some sparkle, even if we put matte over it and it's just hidden in there, it's just me. I need it in there. So I'm literally just applying this to the tacky layer. You could do a clear layer and then put this in and then do your top coat. I recommend that if you don't want glitter in your top coat. I think I may have gotten a couple pieces in there, but this one's almost out, so it didn't matter to me. So this is a matte top coat. This one's from Light Elegance, but use any matte top coat. So now I'm going to wipe off that tacky layer. And this for me is a key component to being able to quote unquote freehand draw. So I'm taking this gel art brush, and this is from Double Dip. Again, I will link it below. And it just has that fine liner, and I don't have to do anything. It's just all in there, and it's perfect for me. I'm gonna tell you right now, I am no hand painter. I am working on it. And I've probably said that for a year. So, and I also missed some of the coverage, but I'm sorry. So I do a moon here, and then I do, I think, an eyelash, like an eye, some stars, and then a feather. But it's all hand drawn, and I will let you guys just watch it.
And I'll be running, possessed by a low, low voodoo. Fired up like a wolf on the full moon. And we're stuck in a la la land. The tides will turn without us. And I'll be killing time like I might be a cartoon. Take it in real life like haiku. I know we got the good vibes when pieces fall right into place. Even if I lost all my money, the zero runs deep, honey. And I don't need to speak a single word, 'cause you got me holding, holding. Even if my jokes aren't funny, my tongue tied up on it. And I don't need to speak a single word, 'cause you got me holding, holding. 'Cause you got me holding, holding. 'Cause you got me holding. Play me like a bass guitar. Simmer down and mess me up. Tripping like I'm Jimmy at Woodstock. Drive me around in your red Ford. Shivers down my spinal cord. Oh, 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 oh. 'Cause you got me holding, holding. Even if I lost all my money, the zero runs deep, honey. And I don't need to speak a single word, 'cause you got me holding, holding. Even if my jokes aren't funny.
So I'm going to add some top coat here, and I did notice on my middle finger that I had a little bit of brown that didn't go all the way down. So I fixed that, cured that, and then I put that top coat on there as well. But I, again, like shiny. So what did I end up doing is I added some, it's like this metallic gold paint, and I take it and I add a couple different touches. Like on the stars, I added a couple stars. On like, I forget which one I did the cuff on, because it's not right in front of me. I think I did it on the feather. That sounds about right. I could be lying to you, but I added some gold detail. So at the end, I will show you without it, and I will show you with it.
My tongue tied up on it. And I don't need to speak a single word, 'cause you got me holding, holding.
And here is the gold. So thank you guys so much for watching. Go ahead and give this video a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye-bye.